This is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing. Here I have a case for your Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, guys. A case for 11-inch tablet with camera protection, Yerki high quality raw material, close skin tell. So the cover is for this tab. You can see I have brand new Samsung Galaxy A9 Plus 11-inch tablet. Leave here this one and we'll go to this part. Here we go, guys. We take this off. Lovely packaging, simple, nothing fancy. Take this off. Wow, the quality, I feel really good, heavy at my hand. Take this off from here. Wow, lovely. We'll apply to our tablet and we'll show more, guys. Here I take this off this paper as well. I feel a quality product with a good durability. We have good bumper on the edges. Wow. So let me add my tablet in this one, but I'm gonna clean a bit. Always clean before adding cover. So clean thoroughly and let me assemble this one. You see the place of camera should be the similar, and we have to set up our tablet as well. In this case it's brand new, so pressing gentle pressure, should go by gentle pressure. The bumper edges is good. You see, press inside all the way, every place. Wow, beautiful. You see the hole. If you want to add some keyboard here, you can add properly. At the top for 2 speaker place is properly has a hole to sound come out. At the bottom too, you can see here for charging port, C port and mic hole as well. This side of the tablet, you can see here the volume rocker key, hub protector and the power button. Also here the hole for microphone. Lovely. I feel a good quality cover or case for my tablet, and it's transparent so you can see everything. Logo of Samsung you can see here. You can see here also the camera hole, camera cut. You see it has a good bumper near. Very good quality because this is a very big tablet. You can drop very easily because it's very slim. So this is unboxing for the case of Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, guys. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.